Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Band 8 active, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this smart band. Okay, first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll down through this menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called battery. Once you find it, tap on it, and here, as you can see, we have the option called battery saver, and we can tap on the switch next to it to turn on the power saving mode, basically. So if you want to turn on the mode, tap on the switch, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and the power saving mode will be enabled, and that's how it looks like. You have only access to the time and date. And the steps, I think. No, only time and date. Okay, and to disable the power saving mode, simply press and hold on the screen. Oh, first you need to tap on it. Okay, so you need to tap on the screen until you see this message, and then you need to press and hold on it. And after a couple of seconds, the mode should be turned off. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.